This is Sai Pranindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, putting forward all my love, dedication, and experience towards database technology. In this particular short session, let's understand what is data analyst, why it is so trending in the IT sector right now, and why we need to choose our SQL school for your course, for your learning process. First, what is data analyst job role? As a data analyst, we are responsible for reading or extracting various sources of data, files, databases, IoT, apps, website, HTML, PDF, anywhere, everywhere we can extract data. And what we do, we mash up the data, transform the data. For example, from date of birth, we mash up age, we calculate age. From product sales, we need to compute the taxes and the net sales, gross sales, like this. Dynamic calculations and formatting, big data analytics, and cloud and Excel analysis with end user dashboards. These are all the day-to-day operations for a data analyst. So the key focus areas technically involve SQL database. As you know, SQL is the mother. SQL is a boss of any data environment in this world. We are going to start with SQL first. Touch with Excel. We cannot leave Excel behind. We need to take it along with our journey throughout the course. We'll take Excel with SQL. SQL first, then Excel with SQL. Power BI next, Excel with Power BI. Python analytics, and then Excel with Python with end-to-end project. This is our blueprint for our course. Overview blueprint for our course, the key focus areas. However, good to have certification from Microsoft for PL300. It is for data analyst job role. The PL300 certification from Microsoft, it is for Power BI data analyst. The number is PL300. The complete certification guidance part of our classes. We'll take it slowly step by step. So the kind of dashboards, the kind of reports you see here on the screen. So what we are going to learn in our classes, either you opt for on-demand video training, self-paced video training, or live online, or our in-person classroom training, same curriculum, same content. Module 1 will be about MS SQL. If you are into video training, first 13 videos would be given to you, set 1. You practice them. Every session is completely practical, step by step. You practice all 13 concepts and submit your assignments. Then next set of 13 videos to be provided to you. This way, it continues module wise. Total 3 modules, 6 sets total. That completes our data analyst course successfully, and we need to have the PL300 examination guidance part of these classes, and we have course completion certificate part of this course, part of these classes. To make it in more detail, we are into SQL MS SQL concepts first, then Power BI, then Python. We are not into Python programming. Instead, we are into Python analytics. Whatever is needed from analytics perspective from scratch, we are going to learn in this auspicious course very carefully, step by step. Really, Learning is a prayer. Let's do it with all our heart. Need your support. The things are bit lengthy. You see my screen, MS SQL. We have 400 queries minimum in this module, MS SQL. And Power BI, 250 plus items. Power Query, we have half century, 50 items. Cloud, 50 items. DAX, 50 items. Visualization, scenarios, etc. Lot of things to learn slowly, step by step, in a meaningful way. Then comes Python Analytics. With all these items together, we need to get into data analyst job role and straight. Complete support from and request you to practice carefully throughout the classes. That's very important for us. So coming to the kind of notes, MS SQL will be having the complete concepts here with either live training or self-paced videos, same content, same curriculum, concept-wise FAQs and concept-wise notes, concept-wise examples and answers for the FAQs. Every module, the same thing, concept-wise. Things will be very much detailed. I want you to thank me from your job desk. We'll do it in a very cool, slow, step-by-step pace. Trust me, you will fall in love with data. Let's be data analysts from tomorrow. Let's make sure we have time to practice every day, minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then this course is for us. It requires good amount of practice. With my step-by-step approach, my carefully curated curriculum, I wish you all the very best and let's stay connected. You can reach me on my number or reach our team directly. Glad to assist you further. Just make sure we have time to practice every day. Video training, if it is live training, if it is self-paced video, fine, same curriculum, same content and same notes, same assignment. You'll download all the notes, you'll contact me for doubts, clarifications, and any further questions, please do reach me directly on my number or through LinkedIn or reach our team. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.